President Donald Trump's attorney, Jay Sekulow, has blamed bad information for his previous claim that the U.S. leader had no involvement in a statement released on behalf of his son, Donald Trump Jr. over a June 2016 meeting with a Russian delegation at Trump Tower. "I was in the case at that point, a couple of weeks in. There was a lot of information gathering," Sekulow told ABC News' George Stephanopoulos on Sunday after being asked why he denied Trump's involvement in the incident. "I had bad information at the time. I made a mistake in my statement," he said. "That's what happens when you have cases like this." Last year, Sekulow claimed that Trump had not approved a statement in response to a New York Times article on the 2016 Trump Tower meeting organized by Trump Jr. after members of a Russian delegation promised to provide compromising information on then-presidential candidate Hillary Clinton. It later came to light, however, that Trump had not only approved the statement, but had dictated it, according to a confidential letter sent from Trump's legal team in January to special counsel Robert Mueller, who has been leading the investigation into Russian meddling in the U.S. election and suspected collusion between Trump's campaign team and Russia. Responding to a question on when he corrected his mistake, Sekulow said on Sunday, "The important part is the information that we've shared with the Office of the Special Counsel. I think it's very important to point out in a situation like this. Over time, facts develop. That's what investigations do," the attorney added. Sekulow also rejected the possibility of Trump Jr. being a target of Mueller's investigation after it was reported that the president had concerns over his son being entangled in the probe. "I don't represent Don Jr., but I will tell you, I have no knowledge at all of Don Jr. being told that he's a target of any investigation, and I have no knowledge of him being interviewed by the special counsel," Sekulow said. In a Twitter statement this weekend, Trump called reports that he was concerned over his son's involvement in Mueller's probe fake news reporting and a complete fabrication. "This was a meeting to get information on an opponent, totally legal and done all the time in politics, and it went nowhere," Trump wrote, before restating that he did not know about the meeting. The president's own assertion that the meeting was to get information on a rival contradicts previous statements his team has made alleging that the June 2016 meeting had been to discuss adoptions. Regardless, Trump's attorney supported the U.S. leader's claim that there was nothing legally questionable about Trump Jr.'s decision to hold the 2016 meeting. "Well, the question is, how would it be illegal?" Sekulow said on Sunday. "When you look at a meeting that took place (NOW) 2 years ago, the question is, what law, statute or rule, or regulation's been violated? Nobody's pointed to one. So far, a number of possibilities have been raised, with Stephanopoulos pointing out conspiracy to defraud the United States as one of them."